Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel. What you see behind us here is all happening in the future, so stay tuned. This is the intro to part 5 of the $100 Mercury Sable. That now costs much more than $100. Probably be $1,200, $1,300 by the time we're done with it. $100 cars might not be worth it.
No.
But we'll probably continue to do it because it gives us something to do. So what you're going to see now in this video, we put the top of the engine back together. We got the intake in, and we got the valve covers on. We did that in the video before that. We broke the EGR tube. So we got the new EGR tube on, the intake's on, and put the new radio in. You'll see a little bit of that. And then we took it for a drive. First road trip in the $100 car. That is not going to be this video. That's going to be Thursday's video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And I'm not going to say how it went yet, but stay tuned because there's more repairs that we were not expecting. So let's get into it. We're going to go ahead and put a radio in. Pulled the old one out. Pretty simple. There was already an aftermarket radio in there. First order of business is to put the old wire harness. Why was there power to one of those? Okay, cool. That sparked. So when this old aftermarket radio was put in, they did not use a wiring kit. They just spliced right into the main wire harness there. So we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do all the speakers first. Let's go ahead and strip all of the, oh, they're already done. So you just have to pull them off. Let's go. Just grab them. Wow, there's not much wire there. Okay, $25 radio for the win. I keep checking to make sure I'm not pulling threads through, but I'm not. There's just not much there. There's our speakers. So we got two purples. We got two purples here, two greens, and two whites and a gray. That's what we need. So we do need to go through here and do these though. So those four are power wires. These are all speaker wires. Do we have two grays? Yeah, okay, yeah, we do have two grays and two whites on there. Okay guys, it's finally time to put this thing back in. It took forever to get this cheap. It's still not great. That does not sit very good. I don't know that we have a whole lot of options though. Let's see if it still works. It lit up, so that's good. Didn't remember anything. That's kind of weird. We're going to test that here in a second. The display on it is better than I thought it would be. Come on. K98.5. Okay. It's in, so done. We're getting the AC charged up here. We've already got one can in there because we're really bad at this whole recording thing. About 20 pounds in there, and we got a little bit of cold air already, which is awesome. Nice cold.
Yeah, it's almost done. The can's getting frosted. Alright guys, we got it lifted up here. Blake's underneath. He's going to get a size 12 and get that drain bolt off. Let's pour some air in.
Oh, I forgot about that part.
Go for a road trip. What's that noise, Blake?
I'm going to bring you guys inside so we can get a good action shot here, pouring the oil. The car's taller. Part 6, lift kit on the Sable.
Sable lift kit. Alright guys, quart number 1 of 6.
We should have checked the level before we drained it, just out of curiosity.
True.
Since we knew where it was. Now we'll never know.
I still can't believe how black it was for 3 fresh quarts.
No.
It needs a good seafoam treatment in the oil or some Lucas oil. Yeah. Run it for a good oil change and put it back in regular oil. But that's for the next owner.
What do you mean? We're not getting rid of this car.
We're never selling this car. I thought my wife was buying this car.
That's right. She's not even buying it.
I thought she was just driving it, right?
That's right. 5W20 Super Tech high mileage.
Can't go wrong with that Super Tech.
$13.47.
Talking about this is premium Walmart blue grade.
Can't believe how cold that air conditioning is. I think it's colder than my truck.
Don't make me laugh. I'll spill it everywhere.
Definitely colder than your Durango.
Oh, yeah. So. Yeah, it is. I don't even have AC.
Dude, you have a blower.
I don't want that water. Yeah, I can't wait until we work on our next project, the Durango. We got brakes that have been waiting 6 months. Oops. Hey, they've done good with one.
You done good. Put that cap on.
Put that cap on. Start her up, see if she leaks anywhere. Oh, go start the Durango. It's like, oh dang, she sounds good with that new oil.
Did you unhook the exhaust?
Going down quick. There we go, there we go. What do you guys say, man?
Huh?
Anything good?
God bless America.
Alright, somebody hop in that driver's seat and give her a start. That'd be me.
Jesus. Why's the turn signal on, bruh?
I hit it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We got the car all back together, back on the road for now. It's back up in the air. It's all fixable. We could get in and drive it down the road right now, but it's just not right. And you will see that in the next video. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. And we're going to continue on the Sunday, Thursday schedule.
Sunday, Thursday.
I got a couple randos that are coming up in there, but until this car is 100%, you can expect a $100 Sable video every Sunday and Thursday with a few other goodies sprinkled in on the channel. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.